Hey ladies and gentlemen, what is good? What is good? So I'm back for another video. This is a coin that your boy has been sleeping on. Polygon Matic. It's now just known as Polygon. Massive potential, amazing project. I've been digging deep into the company, and it's awesome what they're doing. And it's starting to break out right now. I've just scooped up a bag as of like 3 minutes ago. I mean, it will be about 45 minutes ago once you guys see this video due to the editing, and I transfer the camera to the computer and it loading, but you guys probably don't really care. So, oh guys, I have something to show you. Quick update for all of you who've been following along with my cat. Come here, buddy. He's doing well. Look, this is Milo. He wants to tell you guys about Bitcoin. All right, guys, load the bags. We're breaking out. We're going to go to the moon. Load up. He's doing well. He's all healed up, and he's happy, right, buddy? Oh yeah. Okay, maybe I can keep him up here while I do the video. Oh, my back. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. So Polygon on the 24-hour chart, we're up 14%. We're seeing a bit of a breakout, which we'll get into. You scratch my back right up. On the 1 week, we're up 10%. You can see that we're starting to break out. On the 1 month, we're down 3%. On the 1 year, we're up over 3,000%. And you can see that bull pennant, and you see that wedge, but we're going to get into that. So we'll do a quick overview of the website since it is new to the channel. So Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Now, guys, a big issue with Ethereum is the transaction fees as well as the speed. So we have companies like Polygon who are working to solve that. So Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains. Polygon is a protocol and framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain networks. All right, guys. So we have the challenge here. So Ethereum is a blockchain development platform of choice, but it has limitations: low throughput, poor gas fees, poor UX, gas delayed POW finality, and no sovereignty, shared throughput, clogging risk, tech stack not customizable, and governance dependent. So many projects are exploring Ethereum capability blockchains as a way to mitigate these limitations. We're still leveraging Ethereum's thriving ecosystem. However, there is no specialized framework to build such blockchains nor a protocol to connect them. So here, guys, we have the solution. So Polygon, a protocol and framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatibility blockchain networks. For building Ethereum compatible blockchain networks. So one-click deployment of preset blockchain networks, growing set of modules for developing custom networks, interoperability protocol for exchanging arbitrary messages with Ethereum and other blockchain networks, module and optional security as a service, adapter modules for enabling interoperability for existing blockchain networks. All right, guys. So here we have the features. So Polygon combines the best Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into an attractive feature set built by developers for developers. So ETH capability, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, user experience, developer experience, and modularity. All right, guys. So they have some of the projects here that you can look over, as well as the core team and the advisory board for Polygon. All right, guys. So let's hop over to the technical analysis. Now, I would like to show you guys the buy rating here for our friend Polygon. So currently on the 1 day, we're sitting in a strong buy. On the 1 week, we're sitting in a buy. On the 4 hour, we're sitting in a buy. Now I'm going to show you it here, guys, how it started to break out here on the technical analysis. So we have a bullish pendant right here, and you can see the flag. Now, guys, this is on the 4 hour chart. Look at this. We've started to break out. This is beautiful. I really love this chart, and and the pattern, and I love everything that's going on, and that's why I've decided to take a position. What a way to say it. Hey, I love everything that's going on. Oh yeah, okay, thanks, that's real helpful. So we can see here the yellow, the 20 EMA is nicely bouncing off the chart, the candles, the green and red candles, nicely bouncing off, and now we've had that breakout, which is great because I want that 20 EMA to be underneath the candles. All right, guys, so what we want to see, I took a position right here, but if you wanted confirmation, you would wait to see if Polygon breaks 0.42. So I took a position right here at around 0.38, and just because it looks like it's breaking out, and I'm going to hold Polygon for quite a while. So but if you want confirmation as a swing trader, you would wait to see it break resistance at 0.42. Currently, we're sitting at 0.40. And if it were to break that resistance, that's a great sign that we're going to start to really pump and go, well, not pump, but hopefully trend upward nicely and go retest our high at 0.54. All right, guys? So we can see here on the RSI, it's sitting at about 66, but this is the 4-hour chart. Now, what I want to show you guys is the MACD. Remember, guys, the red line is the MACD and the blue line is the signal line. And the MACD is crossed over the blue line, and the MACD is starting to trend upwards, which is great. That's a bullish sign. I'm going to show it to you guys on the 1 day. So look, guys, on the RSI, we're healthy on the 1 day. We're sitting at 60. And look, this is really key, guys. Look at the MACD. See the red line? It's just about to cross over the blue line, which is a signal of a bullish cross. We're going to bullish cross, and then hopefully we continue to trend upwards, which is what I believe is going to happen and why I took a position. I would really love to see us break that 0.42 resistance right here, 0.42 resistance, and then that would be a very bullish sign that we're going to go up and retest and maybe set new all-time highs for our friend Polygon Matic. Now, I wanted to also show you guys, I had a bit of a article here, but we'll look at the volume, guys. So we're on the 1 day chart. Look here, guys, this is within the last 24 hours. We were sitting at 35 cents, and the 24-hour volume was 142 million, and boom, we've just pumped up, and now we're at almost 500 million in volume. So that's another bullish sign, is we're seeing the volume that we want to see, and that's very exciting. All right, guys. Here on their Twitter, we can see that Anchor is empowering developers with API service for Polygon. Anchor and Polygon will enable developers to build and scale DeFi products and improve the user experience for Ethereum dApps. That's a great sign, guys. So let's hop over there was a little bit of news here. So this is from April 9th. So many of you guys know this, but if you're new to Polygon, so Polygon announces their official partnership with GraphLink Protocol. So you can look deeper into that as well. And I also wanted to show you guys this, all right? So this is FX Street. Matic price prediction. Polygon coils up, eyeing 65% upside. So Matic price shows a bullish pennant. That's what we just talked about. Formation. A breakout of which forecasts a 65% rally. The surge will face a new tailwind after creating a higher high at above 0.041. So I'll give you guys the bearish scenario as well. On the 1 week chart, you can see we're quite overextended. The MACD is way above the signal line, which is bullish, right? It means we're most likely going to continue to trend upwards. But we are a bit of ways away from the 20 EMA. So that's something to look at. But guys, if you look at on the 1 day, it's pretty bullish in my opinion. What's going to happen is we start to break out and we see that climb. We see that 60% gain. Let's use our little tool here and see how high that is. So if we break through that resistance at 0.42 and we go to retest the high at 0.54, you're looking at a 33% gain, right? And from that price prediction, I mean, obviously it's just a prediction. He said he's going to go 60%, so that would be new all-time highs, and we would see a huge increase in Polygon. So for my swing traders, if we were to break the resistance at 0.42, which would be another bullish sign, you're looking at, like, even if you were to buy in at 0.42, if we break that resistance and we go to test the all-time high, you're looking at a 28% a trade. Nothing to complain about. But it looks like we could definitely start trending back upwards and set new all-time highs. We're very healthy on the 1 day chart. I really like the 1 day. We're bouncing off the 20 EMA. We're about to cross over on the MACD, and we're sitting in a healthy zone on the RSI. So that's why I took a position. Now, of course, there's always the chance of the sell-off, right, that I showed you guys on the 1 week. because we're on quite a significant pump, right, as many of the coins are, but it looks like we're going to continue to trend higher. Remember, it's just my opinion. It's not financial advice, all right, guys? So it's a great company overall, definitely worth investing in my opinion, not financial advice, till the end of the bull run or for years to come, all right, guys? But I think it will see quite a significant amount of growth before the end of the bull run, most definitely, all right, guys? So that's it. Oh, let's do my price predictions for Matic. So we'll do the middle of the month. So we've just started to break out. So it's currently, what's the date? I believe it's the 13th today. Yeah, it's the 13th. So hopefully we can test. Let me look at Matic real quick here on the 1 day. Just a little bit of patience, guys. I really appreciate it. Let's go on the 1 day. So what I would like to see over the next couple of days is us to break that resistance of 0.42 would be awesome. And if we can break through that resistance over the next couple of days, that would be awesome. And I think we would go retest that high. So I'll give my prediction if that were to take place with Polygon, which is very possible as we're in a bull market and it's just starting to break out. So I'd love to see us break this resistance at, I believe it's at 0.41 or 0.42, 42 cents by mid-April, and get towards 45 cents. That would be awesome for the middle of the month. That would be a very bullish sign that we're going to go retest. We'll go retest 0.50, all right, guys? So if we go and retest 0.50 and we break through, by the end of the month, we might be at 60 cents. But then you might also see that sell-off just because we're pumping pretty decently on the 1 week. It's more hard to yeah, but it looks pretty healthy, guys. So I think, we could trend towards 60 cents. We might start seeing some rollover and some sell-off by then. So I'll say we'll stabilize around 60 cents by the end of the month, 65, maybe 70. And I'll say 65 cents by the end of the month, and hopefully towards 70 cents, 75 by mid-May, all right, guys? So I'm hoping we break through that resistance of the bullish prediction of about 41 cents. If we can break through that by the middle of the month, head to 45 cents would be awesome, and trend towards breaking the high over the last month at 0.50, and hopefully head towards 60, 65 cents. I think that, it's a very modest prediction, but the only reason I'm saying that is to give it an opportunity to go through that correction, to go through that pullback and stabilize. So 45, hopefully 50, but 45 cents for the middle of the month, and then 60 cents for the end of the month, new high, and then maybe we'll stabilize and hopefully trend towards 75 cents for Matic by mid-May. All right, guys, that's it for Matic, or now known as Polygon. The name Matic is going to disappear. So hopefully we see some new all-time highs in the next few weeks. Would be awesome for Polygon. Definitely worth investing in. I definitely think it will do well during this bull run. It's a great project, what they're doing with Ethereum. I think it's going to be around for a long time. All right, guys, so that's it for Matic. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, guys, hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new, join the Discord. There's a Patreon link. I just created a Twitter, so I'll leave a link for that as well. And yeah, that's it. Peace. Take care.